Hi, welcome to Brad's Indie Game Dev Vlog 0. I'm Brad, naturally. So, I've been learning to make video games for a little while now. I started in 2020 when the thing, or whatever, you all know at this point, it's 2 years after the fact. Like everyone else, bored out of their mind in that time when nothing much else was going on, I decided to learn a new skill. Game Dev! I'm not the best at it yet. So I decided to learn a new skill. I'm not great. Not yet. I'll get there. I'm learning. And you guys are going to learn with me. Because there will be many errors along the way. Many mistakes. And that's okay. It's a learning opportunity for both you and me. In fact, I actually had a lot of trouble even just getting the stupid Git repo to work because I don't know what I'm doing. So I actually had to start the whole project over, so you guys are going to get to see some stuff that like in the first game devlog, you're going to get to see exactly what I was trying to do, where we're going to go, and how it's going to go from there. Like I said, learning opportunity. I had to delete basically the entire project, so I still have the dash script, which works, kind of, sort of, more or less. I did some tweaking, but we'll go from there. In the next devlog, we'll see what we're doing and what kind of game we have going on. Why did I pick the game dev escapade in the first place? No real reason, to be honest with you. I like the idea of programming and I like doing art. It's kind of just my thing in both of those things. All of my interests align and coalesce into one thing, which is game dev. Other than the music, that's something I'll have to learn how to do along the way. I figure it might be fun enough, we'll just have everything in one place. So, we chose Unity for our project. Why? Also, no real reason. It just happened to be the first software that I came across, the first game engine. I could have chose Game Maker, Pico, whatever, Unreal, Godot, whatever. I landed on Unity, so here we are. And that said, what is C#? It's the programming language Unity uses, so it's some magic or something. I guess we will figure it out. What the heck are we even making it? Well, we're gonna make a 2D action RPG. It's going to be inspired by both Zelda and the Mario and Luigi. And again, I'm going to have to be honest. I'm glad you asked for my honesty. I'm not entirely sure what we're making just yet. Except for the fact that it's what I've just said, but I do want to narrow that window down a little bit. And we'll get there as we get there. But for now, if you guys want to check out the channel, and also check out the Patreon if you feel like supporting the channel. And I'll see you guys in the first game.